So hello everyone. Today we are here. Today we are showing this tutorial video only for online exam that will commence from 24th June. Video is only for instructing you how to appear for online exam. So at first we can see this is the mobile screen. Now we will find out the Google Chrome app. So at first you have to download Google Chrome app from Play Store. The link of that app already we have shared in each and every WhatsApp group. So before appearing for this exam, we have to, what is important thing, we have to download Google Chrome app from Play Store. And this is Google Chrome app. Side is showing with red color. Yes, with red color mark, side is showing. This is the Google Chrome app. Got it everyone? This is the Google Chrome app. We have to download this app. Okay, this is the Google Chrome app. Side is showing with red color. So step by step we are going to discuss, we are going to give you instruction. Sir, click on Google Chrome app. Yes. So here this is the Google home screen. If Google home screen will not be there, if at first you cannot see Google home screen, you have to click on three dot at the top of the screen, right side you can see three dot. You have to click on this three dot. Now after that we can see so many instructions. At first, new tab. Okay, we have to click on new tab. New tab, click on new tab with red mark. Side is showing new tab. Yes, so this is the Google home screen we can see. At first, we have to open this home screen. So this is called search button. Here in the search space, we have to type gitanjalischool.in, our school's home site. We have to type here in the search space. Yes, this is search space with red mark. Side is showing again. We are supposed to start. We are supposed to type here our school website. For website, Gitanjali school.in, Gitanjali JALICHWL.in. You have to type the address of our school website. Okay, click on. After that, we have to type our school's website, the address of our school website, and we have to search. Yes, at first we can. Now we already have typed the address of our school website in the search space. Now see, Sir has already marked with red color. This is the address of our school website, home site, gitanjalischool.in. You have to type here the search space gitanjalischool.in and search. Now see, we can see this is the our school home site, website. Okay, now here important announcement. This is called pop-up message. One pop-up message you can see, important announcement. How to close it? Right side corner one cross button. You can see one cross button. Right side corner one cross button. You can see. You have to click on this cross button to close this message. Yes. After that you can see one message. Now see, Sir is marking already with red color. Sir has marked already with red color. Click here to enter virtual classroom. This message from right side to left side is moving. We have to click on this. Click here to enter. Listen carefully, all of you. Click here to enter virtual classroom, we have to click on this, the message that is moving from right side to left side. We have to click on this message. After that, we'll move to directly, we'll go to that online test page. Here we have to put the username and ID of the student, particular students who are going to appear for that exam. At last, 05. Okay, so we can see just sir, at first mark what is username, which is the box of username and which is the box of password. Size marking. Now all of you can see size marking with red color, with in a bold manner. This is username. This is the box to put your username. The username that you have got with the help of your class teacher. Your class teacher has already shared your username password. You have to put. You have to type your username and password. Both are same. Let me clarify you. Your username and password both are same. So you have to type your username password here. The username box, you have to type your username, and in the password section box, you have to type your password. Okay. 0513. 0513. Now this is sign in button. There is already marking here with red color. This is for sign in button. After giving your ID, username and ID, individual username and ID, you have to click on sign in button. You have to click on sign in. Pause. Yes. So after signing in, after clicking on the sign in button, we can see this OK button. Let's stay connected. OK, but don't click anywhere. Don't click here and all that. Okay, just click on OK button. Yes, OK. This is. Click on this OK button. Now verify your name. You can see or not. Okay, your name will be showing on the screen. Your name and your class will be showing. Just verify. Okay, now this is the mobile mode. Now we have to transform it. We have to change it into desktop mode. How to change in desktop mode? In desktop mode, how to change? Again, see right side corner, right side top of the corner, 3 dots are there. All of you can see 3 dots are there, right side top of the corner. That is marked with red pen, with red color. Click on this 3 dots. Yes, after clicking on these 3 dots, you can see so many options are there. New tab, new incognito tab, bookmarks, recently tabs, history, downloads. Okay, now desktop site. Below one option is there, desktop site, and after and beside desktop site one box is there. You have to click on this box. Beside desktop site there is one box. You have to click on this box to change the screen to desktop mode. Click on this box. Yes, now you can see the full view of the screen. You can see the full view of your screen. Now left side below our school logo. Left side below our school logo. One option is there, online exam or worksheet. Left side below our school logo, one option is there, one button is there, online exam or worksheet. By the name online exam or worksheet, one button is there. You have to click on this button to start your exam. Online exam or worksheet. Click on this. Yes. After that, you will get this page. Your name will be showing. After that, exam name will be showing. Okay, and start exam will be showing. Now see, there is marking with the start exam. Wait. If you start the exam, okay, now it is a request. Don't receive any call. It is a start exam button. After clicking start exam button on the when exam will start, already it has been mentioned on the exam schedule. So at that very time, start exam. At that very time, not before that. Okay, just at that time start exam. Click on start exam. You can see start exam button. Sir, one time show with red mark start exam button. Now this is called start exam button. All of you can see. So to start the exam, we have to click on this button. After that, exam will start, and this is time-based exam. When the exam will start, within that stipulated time, within that limited time, we have to submit. Okay. So click on the start button first. Now, new page, we'll move to new page. Now, this is mobile screen again, a mobile view. Okay, so 2 times we have to change mobile view. Now, this time also we have to change from mobile view to desktop mode. So, how to change? Again, right side 3 dots are there, right side corner, right side top of the corner 3 dots are there. We have to click on these 3 dots to change this mobile view to desktop mode. Now, below one box is there. Yes, below one box is there, desktop side. We have to click on that box. We have to click on this box. So is showing with red color button. So please show with red color button. Yes. Okay, after clicking on 3 dots, desktop side, one option is there, desktop side. Yes. This portion. We have to click on this box. So click on this box. Yes. Now, first question. So 10 questions are there, but on final examination, okay, when you appear for final examination, more than 10 questions are there. Okay, so already your subject teacher has informed you how many questions are there. So now here we have set 10 questions. You can see right side. Now see right side. Now see right side. Right side 10 questions are there. Why 10 questions? 10 questions have been marked with, now see, side is marking with red color. Now 10 questions are there and 10 questions are in white colored. Okay, 10 questions are in white color. Okay, and now see time left. Okay, now see just above. Okay, now see just above the time left means time based exam already I told. So this is time based exam. Your time is just reducing. Your time is moving. Your time is running fast. So within that, sir, just show the time left that portion. Yes, time left. Now see, 20 minutes times are there to appear for the 20 minutes time. 20 minutes time is there to appear to finish this exam. 20 minutes time is there to finish this exam. So within this time we have to click. But for final exam, more than 20 minutes will be there. Already you can see when you will start the exam. So now 10 questions are there. Now see sir, first question sir, one time so. Now see first question. The first question, you have to, what is the capital of India? You have to choose the correct option. What is the correct option you have to choose? And you have to, each and every time, listen carefully. You have to choose the correct option. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 options are there. You have to click on the correct option. So just mark where they have to click. Now, beside the option, one circle is there. Now see 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, answer section. Now see answer section 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 options is there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits have been written, and beside that, one circle is there. One box is there. You have to click on the right box. What is correct? Number 1 correct, number 2 correct, or number 3 or number 4? You have to choose. Suppose number 1 is correct. Okay, so Syed has chosen number 1. You have to click on this. You have to click on that empty box. Yes. Okay. If number 2 is there, you have to click on number 2. If number 3 is there, you have to click on that empty box. So, okay, after clicking on the right answer, you have to click save and next button each and every time. After attempting question, you have to click on save and next button. That's just
Start.
okay. Now, after clicking on the correct answer, we have to click on save and next button each and every time. Listen carefully. Each and every time after clicking on the right answer, or after attempting the question, each and every time we have to click on save and next button. Sir, just show them what is save and next button. This is save and next button. You have to click on this each and every time. After attending all questions, we have, okay. Each and every time you have to click on save and next button. After clicking on the right option. Now see, after clicking, sir already has clicked right button. Sir already has clicked the option. Okay. Now next question number 2. This is question number 2. Question number 2, sir chosen any, sir just choose anyone. Again, in the same manner, you have to choose the correct option. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which one is correct? Now see, now if you choose the option, now beside the number, one tick mark you can see. It means that you have selected the right answer. Tick mark means you have selected the right answer. Again, you have to save and next. Just one time show them with red color. Now save and next button. That is fine. Again, you have to click. So each and every time, for each and every question, you have to click on save and next button. So click on save and next button. Okay, now see. Now right side. Now right side you can see that 2 questions, 1 and 2 questions are in green color. Are marked in green color. Why? Now see, one or two questions already marked in green color. Why? Because these questions have been attempted by you. So green color means question attempted. White color means not attempted. Simple. Green color means question attempted. White color means not attempted. Even red color means also not attempted. Now fourth. Now sir has skipped to question number 4. Okay. So sir has not attended question number 3. Sir has skipped to question number 4. Question number 4. Sir has chosen the option. Sir choose the option. Anyone? And save and next again. Okay. Now see right side see. Right side see. 1, 2. Question number 1, 2, and 4. They are marked in green color. Why? Because these questions have been attended by you, by sir. And question number 3, question number 9. These questions have been marked with red color. Because what? Because of what? Because these questions have not been attempted by anyone. So I told that green color means question attempted, red color means not attempted. So it means that you have to attempt all questions. After that you can submit. Okay, and green color means attempted means what? Attempted means save and next. Save and next means question attempted. After clicking on the correct answer, you have to click save and next button. It means that all questions attempted. Sir, one time show them just this portion that one and green color means question attempted with mark, just with red mark. Show them. No, sir, not from here. Just show them from that 10 questions are there. Show them from there. So it will be easy to understand. Now here 10 questions are there. 2 questions, 3 questions. 1, 2, 4. They have been marked. They have been colored. They have been green colored. Why? Because these questions have been attempted. Save and next. Sir has clicked save and next button. Save and next button click means question attempted. Means after clicking on right option, save and next button, each and every time you have to click. It means question attempted. And if you don't click save and next button means question not attempted, unattempted. It means red mark. Your exam will not be completed. So each and every you have to attend all questions. So now 3 number question not attempted. How can you go to 3 number question? You have to click on this 3 number question. The right side just show them 3 number question not attempted. Red mark. So you want to go to 3 number question. Just click on 3. Click on that particular question number. Click on that particular question number. Click on 3. Now see 3 number question you have got. 3. Question number 3. Who discovered it? I think all of you have understood. Attempt question number 3 attempt. Okay. Now attempted click. Okay. Black tick mark is there. Save and next button. I will click save and next. Save and next. Now 3 number question. Now see green. The color has been changed to green. Now see 3 number question has been marked with green color. Why? Because 3 number question sir has chosen the option and sir has clicked save and next button. Understood? So in this manner sir choose option, all options randomly 5, 7, 8. Now we are going to attempt question number 9 and stay next. As we already told that for each and every question we have to press save and next button. Now we can see right side. Okay. Now you can see on right side 9 questions already are marked with green color. Why? Because they have been attempted. They have been attempted by our sir. And 10 question question number 10 has been marked with white color. Why? Because not attempted. So white mark or red mark means not attempted. Okay. So you have to attempt mandatory. Each and every questions are mandatory. Each and every question you have to attempt each and every question. Otherwise, the submission process cannot be possible. So question number 10. So choose any one option. Okay. So you have to choose the correct option by clicking on the box. After that, after clicking, you will get the tick mark, and here one option is there. Now see what is the difference? What is the difference with other questions? Regarding other questions, what is there? Regarding other questions, save and next button is there. But here finish exam. So mark with red color. Yes. Now, sir has already marked with red color. So, to make you understand better, finish exam. So, regarding other questions, regarding 9 questions, okay, because 9 questions, the option was save and exit. But here, it's our question because it is the last question. So, on the last question, you will get see 9th number question, save and next button, save and next. Now, okay. And last question, regarding last question, the same next button will be changed to finish exam button. Now 10th number question. 10th number question here, save and next button is not there. Finish that button is there. Why? Because this is the last question. So when you face the last question, when you get the last question on the screen, at that time you will get finish button option. Finish exam. Finish exam button option. So one time show them the red color. Mark with red color. Yes. This is the finish button option. Okay, regarding the last question, when you will face last question at the time after clicking on the right option, you have to click on this finish exam. Finish exam. You have to click on the finish exam to complete this exam. If you are sure that there is no need to change the option, okay, no more confusion. You are sure that all 10 questions you have attempted successfully. All 10 questions have been marked with green color. Right side see, all 10 questions have been marked with green color. Yes. 10th number red color because after finishing exam, 10th number also will be green. So if you are sure that there is no need to change any option, already we have discussed that how to change the option by clicking on the question mark. Already we have discussed that how can you change the option? How can you change the option of a particular question by clicking on that digit 1, 2, 3, 4. You want to change question number 5, click on question number 5. Suppose you want to question number 6, option, click on question number 6. No problem. We already have discussed. Now question number 10 is the last question. So now we can finish exam because we are sure that there is no need to change any option. Now question number 10, click on finish exam. It is a time-based exam, okay? So within time you have to finish it up. Now after clicking on finish exam, one option you will get verify and submit. Verify means again you can verify, again you can change your option. And submit means your exam will be completed. Okay, so just show them with red color what is submit option. So after clicking on finish exam, you will get this message, verify and submit. So to complete this exam, to submit your answer, you have to click on the sub button. Sir has already marked. This is verify. Verify means again you can verify, again you can change your options. But what is the foremost thing that within stipulated time, within limited time you can change. After that you cannot change. So we are sure that there is no need to change any option. So we can submit. Sir has already marked with with orange color. Now see submit button option. To complete your exam, you have to submit. At first finish exam, then submit. So click on submit button option to finish this exam. After that, you get one message: you have successfully completed the exam. Now after that you have to click on OK button. Now see OK button. Already circled with red color. OK button option. You have to click on this OK button option. So click on this OK button option. Yes. After clicking on OK button option, now you can see this board has been marked with green color. Previously, when you start the exam, this board this board was marked with white color. But right now, after finishing the exam, after submitting your answer, this board will be marked with green color. If not marked with green color, it means that your exam has not been completed. So after completion of the exam, after submitting your answer, after completion of exam, this bar, now see this bar, you can see that just marked with red color. This bar, this is the result bar. Okay, this is the status bar. You can see the status of your exam that already completed or not. This is status bar. Okay, so after completion of exam, after finishing up exam, after submission of your answer, you can see this bar has been marked with green color. If not marked, it means that exam has not been completed. Got it? Now, result day. Okay, result day will be mentioned here. Result day will be mentioned. Exam start date, end date, and result day also will be mentioned. When you write it, you can see result will be mentioned. Let me tell all of you that result day will be 3rd July. Result will be 3rd July. So this is the process. This is a procedure how to apply for online exam. This is short video, tutorial video to make you understand more for the betterment of your learning. We have prepared this video. Now after that, after completion of exam, you have to log out. See right side corner. Yes, the right side corner has marked, has circled with red color. This is the log out button option. You after completion of exam, after successfully completion of exam, you have to log out. To press this button. Then log out. Yes. After logging out, you will move to that page. Okay, you will move to home page of the exam portal. After logging out, you will move to directly go to that home page of exam portal. Now, here you can put your ID and password, and on the result you can put your ID password for the next exam. For the next day, you have to log in same manner. So just no need to show them. Okay, no need. The next day, yes. Next day, for the next exam, again by following the same procedure, you have to log in with your ID and password and sign in. That option already we have discussed in our video. And on the result day, the same method. On the result day, you have to log in with the ID password to get your result, to know your result. The result day, you have to follow in the same manner. So I think all of you will understand by watching this video carefully. And this is the soft initiative from our school side, Gitanjali Public School side, to make you understand more regarding this online exam. So this is our first initiative to conduct online exam. I think we will be successful with the cooperation of all the states and states. Thank you. Goodbye.